Oh my god, do you ever just wish you'd never started something? Okay, so I'm about to start taking out my euphyllias and what have you, and I've set up some water here ready so I can go through and chop them about a bit, frag them up a little bit. But if you're worried about your water, because this is quite shallow, it's going to go cold quite quickly. So top tip is I've got these little hand warmers, and what I do is I just crack one of these open. I can just pop it underneath the bucket here. It just keeps everything a little bit warmer for a little bit longer.
One hour later.
Okay, so I've sorted out a few corals that I want to start with in this in the reef habitat. So I'm just letting these ones acclimatise to their new surroundings, and what I'm hoping is that if I start packing this tank with coral, it's going to start using up some of these nutrients that are causing these diatoms at the bottom. So we'll see. I wanted to move these corals over anyway, so I've got my Elimifos or Elimifos in there at the moment, so in a couple of days that should sort out all that. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so while that's all acclimating, what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty out and clean out this calcium reactor. Oh my gosh, this is a job I wish I hadn't started. So I'm going to start doing some cable management as well. I've got so much to do. I think it's going to be a really long night. It's time to add these to the aquarium. I've done a really good spot check on them. I haven't dipped them, they've come from my other system, and I know that there's nothing apart from those horrible purple style polyps that are in there, but the thing with those is that coral dip wouldn't get rid of them anyway, and I'm hoping that by adding these I'm going to add a little bit more diversity to this tank as well. So I can't believe how neat and tidy I've managed to get this covered. I got rid of all of the sand that had built up inside this. I've got all my new crushed coral in there. I've got all my additives. I've even put all my power bars up. I've got another doser that I'm about to install there. I've actually managed to fit in my FX STP inside the cupboard. So yeah, it's looking so much neater. Even the dog thinks so, huh? Amazing difference. Amazing what a bit of time spent will do. So here you can see I've managed to scrape away most of those horrible purple star polyps. There's still a little bit. I'm going to go back in and give it another little scrub. There's just a couple that are waking up over there, but I think if I do this sort of every sort of other day, I found so many corals that had been like squished and just weird things that have been growing, lots of sponges and stuff like that, and that this one took a real beating, so it'd be interesting to see if they actually come back. And yeah, look, the side of this one got completely damaged. So yeah, I think it's been a little bit of an upheaval, but it looks so much better than it did. I mean, it's just like a completely different tank. So once everything starts to recover again, I think it'll all come back nicely. So alright guys, that's it for today. I'm absolutely made up with everything that I've managed everything that I've managed to do with this tank today. So smash the like button, subscribe, all of the good stuff, and you'll see me very soon.